Hey, welcome to my, well, no, let's start over, sorry. Hey, welcome to another place that I'm staying at. Come in. So, why are you coming too close to my face? Hi, welcome. Come in. As you can see, we're at another spot. We are in Vegas this time, and I just want to show you the spot I'm hanging out at, all right? So here's the kitchen. The kitchen area is it gives you that apartment look, you know? It's nice to have such a big space. We have a table. The kitchen is nice and spacious. You have a dishwasher. You have a coffee maker here, toaster. You can like literally live here. That's what I like. You have the camera up.
Yes.
No! It feels like it's down.
It's not.
All right, lift it up a little bit.
Can you trust me?
No! All right, so also you have a refrigerator. I'm not even gonna show you what's in it because the people here have put a lot of junk in it. Let's move on to the living room area. Now, this is beautiful, but let me show you this. Let me show you this. You can put the shades down. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Now it gets pretty dark. The daylight does not even come in here, which I like that a lot. But we're gonna need light, so I'm gonna open it back up. Yeah, follow me a bit. We got the living room here. The couch is pretty spacious. I think about like 8 people could sit on this couch. Also, there's a projector where you can watch a movie if you don't wanna watch it on the flat screen. So I think that's nice. Now, you've seen the living room, you've seen the kitchen. Now I want to show you the bedroom, the master bedroom, and the bathroom. As you can see, we have 2 sinks in here, which I like. His and hers, or hers and hers, his and his, doesn't matter. There's also a TV in here, which I think is dope. But then you hear that sound? Look, you can wash your clothes. You can wash your clothes. And I'm sure other hotels do this too, but listen, I've never washed my clothes at a hotel. So now, here we go into the toilet area. Wow, you can even make a phone call down to the desk. And then come closer. Someone just took a shower, so I don't want to fall. And here is the actual shower. Nice. This is dope. All right, so now let's go into the master bedroom. When you first walk in here, you see the nice jacuzzi. Like, you got a jacuzzi in a room. A lot of people could fit in this. Oh yeah, okay, maybe 2 people, just 2 people. Look at this bed. See how comfortable it is? Wow. Yeah, this is a big bed. Can't go wrong in this room. You have a nice view. You have a nice little sofa love seat. You have mirrors everywhere. And you have this big counter where you can just place all your hair, makeup, shoes. You know what I mean? Like, that's good. A big closet for you. And last but not least, if you're trying to make love, let the shades go down. Boom, I like that. But I'm not gonna keep it off. We gotta shades up, let's shades up it. You wake up in the morning and you see the view. It's nice. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, show some love, share with your friends. Maybe you wanna stay here, maybe not. But anyway, thank you, much love. Peace.